how to fix portrait mode not working on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix portrait mode not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to scroll down and go to the option camera. Alright, so from the camera section, scroll down at the bottom and you have to just turn on these features like lens correction. So after you turn on this, you'll have to just back from here and not from the settings section again. You'll have to scroll down and go with the options like screen time. So simply tap on the option screen time. Alright, so from this section, scroll down and go with the options like content and privacy restriction. Alright, so from here, make sure that this feature content privacy and restriction is turned on, and after you turn on, you'll have to just go with the option allowed apps and feature. Okay, so from the section, make sure that this camera feature is also turned on from here, and after you turn on this, you'll have to just back from here, and from there you'll have to restart your iPhone, and from there you can easily fix that problem. And if you are still facing that problem after a restart, you'll have to again open the settings, and from the settings you'll have to go the option general, and now from here tap on software update, and now from here check for the available updates for your iOS. So after you update the latest version of iOS, you'll be able to fix that problem. And if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option transfer or reset iPhone, and now from here tap on reset. Okay, so from here you have to just tap on the option reset all settings, and after you reset all settings on your iPhone, you'll be easily solve your problem like camera mode or portrait mode is not working on your iPhone. So if you are still facing that problem, this means that you have been hardware problem on your iPhone. So for that you'll have to just go with your Apple Care, and from there you can easily solve that. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.